Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And in today's Ask the Professor, we're going to be taking a look and reviewing some of the faster moving products from the Expert 60 range. So what we're going to do, we're going to test each and every one of these products on my car. So we're going to give you the application methods and hopefully we're going to achieve the right results for your car. So this week we're going to be taking a look at the tyre and plastic out of the Expert 60 range just to see what results we get. Expert 60 tyre and plastic. Exterior plastic and rubber conditioner which gives you a nice wet look finish, gives you the durability, but it also gives you a little bit of versatility in the fact that it's not just a tyre dressing, it can also be used in underbonnet areas to restore engine bays to that as new look. So it's an exterior rubber and plastic conditioner which is sprayable. So there you've got it guys, you've actually seen the products applied, you've seen the results. So if you've got any comments about the products we've actually used, put them in the comment section below. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to see the next available video, obviously click on the link in the right hand corner, and we'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.